Hello, friends! For lovers of chicken and cabbage, as well as outdoor activities, this recipe is dedicated to you. I seared chicken thighs on both sides. I marinated them the day before. I removed the meat from the pan and placed cabbage, which I cut into slices like watermelon. I sear the cabbage on one side, then flip it, place the seared chicken thighs on top, add water, and cover with a large bowl. Don't forget about the spices. I added hot pepper, kamili sunalai, dried garlic, and tomato sauce. I also added carrots and fried onions. You can add any vegetables you like. To get a beautiful color, add ground paprika. Make sure there's enough water so the dish doesn't burn. Cover with the bowl and let it simmer on low heat. It's very delicious. Imagine, the cabbage is infused with the fat and meat flavor, and the chicken meat is tender and juicy. Sprinkle the finished dish with herbs and enjoy. Bon appetit!